Of countering ransomware attacks effectively, an interagency crack team calls on firms to get cyber insurance amid a raft of other suggestions to tackle the growing problem.
Singapore's interagency Counter Ransomware Task Force is calling on organisations to get cyber insurance. It's also urging the government to make it compulsory for companies to report ransom payments. Now, these are among strategies that the task force is suggesting to counter the growing problem of ransomware effectively. Let's take a look. Now, to reduce the profit that ransomware attackers can expect from setting up those attacks, the task force wants to discourage the payment of ransoms. It also recommends a mandatory reporting requirement so that if payments are made, authorities would be able to trace illicit financial flows and maybe claw back ransom payments.
Ransomware isn't just a cybersecurity problem. It's not just a technical problem. At the heart of it, ransomware is about money. The Ransomware Task Force recommends exploring a common framework for processing and acting on these requests so that we can speed up and smoothen cross-border law enforcement efforts. But we need to deny these criminals safe havens.
The task force is also encouraging cyber insurance as a risk management practice. And even if ransom payments aren't covered, getting coverage for other potential costs brought on by a cyber incident could cushion the effects felt by organisations.
We're studying the cyber insurance market closely and considering the levers that are available. This includes making it more accessible to enterprises, for example, by reducing costs, making it easier for businesses to understand and find suitable insurance products that meet their respective risk profiles.
Another key recommendation is to work with international partners to study the effects of insurance policies covering ransom payments. Now, government agencies and businesses, they are among those being encouraged to implement risk mitigation measures, and these include investing in a strong offline backup system and a plan to recover key assets, among others.